type of days here. These are my favorite type of days where every single job has a sleeve. Front sleeve, front back sleeve, front sleeve, front back sleeve. Days like this, you choose a side and you stick with it. Most people, most printers think that doing the sleeves first is gonna go faster, but I don't know, in my experience, no. Maybe it's just a superstitious thing, but I don't like to do. Maybe if it was one set of sleeves, I would do them. But I mean, look at this. Look at this right here. Got one sleeve with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors on it. I mean, come on a sleeve. Yeah, fronts first. We can knock a bunch of these out before first break, I think. Yeah, definitely. All right, let's get set up. What's good, bro?
What's good, chat? It's time to work, but
you trying to work?
Early in the morning, we up in here working. What's up, DB? I'll get up my granddad, man. I don't feel nothing when I go outside. Not a soul.
Yeah, it looks insulated. Let's get started. What are we doing? Okay. Alright, so my point of order here, I think what I'm going to do is, right, we're going to do the fronts first. We're going to make life real easy on ourselves. Okay? Real easy. So check this. White, orange. I put my white before the second flash because, I mean, there's so much coverage area. We don't want the shirts touching and making a mess, and then our catcher back here is going to have to blow out a bunch of shirts. Right? White, orange. And look at this, same thing, white, orange. So this is going to be an easy transition from here to there. Right? And then black front, black back. Real simple. Our first what do you call this? Our run up until first break should be pretty smooth, and we're going to see you on the setup. Monday morning, by the way. I always tell y'all what day it is. Monday morning. Monday morning, so of course everybody's in a great mood. Everybody's in just tip in a great mood, ready to work. Alright. Readjust what you're doing here. When everything's zeroed out. This is called zeroing out the head. And it sounds dirty, but it isn't. Get our machine warmed up, get some squeeze of flow bars in there, get some ink in there, be ready to rock. Let's warm this baby up some more. Air pressure looks weak. Top color are our only, well, technically not the only top color, but our top color is Victory Orange. There you go. White Victory Orange. Ugh. Ink is so cold. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. Cause I ain't messing with no stiff ink this morning. I'm gonna show you guys how to. You come in and your ink's really cold and stiff. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. Show y'all just, and you know it'll loosen up as we run, but I don't feel like waiting for all that to happen. So this is what we're gonna do. I'll take some ink. Look at this. Look how stiff this is. And this ink, these Victory colors are already thick. What's good, brother? What's poppin'? Good. I'll take some ink. Look at how stiff this is, man. I was saying these Victory colors are already really thick. So take some of this here. You know what? Hold on. We're going to do the same thing with our white ink too. Why not? Get our white in there also. So this here, I'll show y'all exactly what I'm about to do here. lot of there's a lot of surface area. It's a large print, so yeah, I'm gonna get a good bit of white in here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna loosen this ink up a little bit. Now, usually, what you want to do is, if you have it, you want to use curable reducer, right? Use curable reducer. Reducer just thins the ink out for us, but we are out of reducer. So what you can do in a pinch, this viscosity buster, this is actually what you put in your blocker. This is what you put in your blocker. This activates the blocker, but it also thins out the ink. You know, if you have that, just use that in a pinch. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. All right. And I do that little pre-mix before I get it on this stand mixer, because if I went straight to the stand mixer, the viscosity buster would have been flying all over the place. You see that? Look at that. What's up, man? See that? Way more pliable. Okay. Now for the whites. Nice and smooth. I have no problems. Not from our underbase, at least. How you doing, sir? The underbase, on the top white, because as long as our underbase is smooth, the top white's going to print just fine, regardless of how stiff this ink is.